Hello everyone! I'm Fables, daughter of Akira, a brave, majestic creature in our kingdom. Here is the tale of my brave mom.
In a dense jungle, a majestic creature named Akira roamed. She was a Tigon with a tiger father and a lioness mother. Akira's unique gifts made her special. She had a lion's fearlessness and a tiger's agility. One day, the jungle animals were in trouble. They were alone and scared. Akira knew she had to help. With a powerful roar, she called out to the animals and brought them together. She used her strength and kindness to guide them to safety. The animals were so grateful to Akira that they hailed her as a hero. From that day on, Akira ruled the jungle with kindness and wisdom. She proved that being different is what makes her special, and that together we can achieve great things. Moral: embracing our unique qualities and working together can lead to greatness.